Hey viewers, external factors, such as sun exposure and lifestyle choices, rather than genetics, cause up to 80% of skin aging. Aging is a natural part of life, but some everyday habits we unknowingly practice may speed up this process. While genetics play a role, the way we live our daily lives has a significant impact on how fast we age. These seemingly insignificant choices, from what eat to how we handle stress, may add years to our appearance and affect our overall health. This video explores 10 common habits that may secretly age you faster, often without you even realizing it. However, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or concerns about your aging process. Also stick to the end of the video, where we will talk about 5 foods that may protect your youthfulness. 1. Not getting enough sleep. Not getting enough sleep accelerates the aging process in multiple ways. Sleep is not just a time of rest, it's an active phase where the body undergoes critical maintenance work. According to PubMed, during deep sleep your body repairs damaged tissues, regenerates cells, and produces essential proteins like collagen and elastin that keep the skin firm and elastic. Consistent sleep deprivation disrupts these restorative processes, resulting in visible signs of aging like fine lines, wrinkles, and dull skin. The impact of inadequate sleep on cognitive function is another aspect of how it contributes to aging. Memory problems, reduced focus, and slower reaction times, often seen as signs of cognitive aging, are associated with poor sleep quality. Researchers have even linked chronic sleep deprivation to an increased risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. It underscores the importance of sleep for maintaining brain health and youthful cognitive function. Prioritizing quality sleep of 7 to 8 hours is one of the most effective ways to protect against premature aging, enhance your overall well-being, and maintain a youthful, vibrant appearance. 2. Excessive screen time. Excessive screen time accelerates the aging process by exposing your skin to blue light, also known as high-energy visible light, emitted from phones, computers, tablets, and other digital devices. Compared to UV rays, blue light penetrates deeper into the skin, the dermis, where collagen and elastin fibers reside. This deep penetration causes oxidative stress, which hurts skin cells, stops collagen production, and speeds up the formation of wrinkles, fine lines, and pigmentation spots, making the skin look old before its time. Additionally, prolonged screen time may lead to what is commonly known as neck, a condition where the repetitive motion of looking down at your devices causes the skin on your neck to wrinkle and lose elasticity faster than it would naturally. The neck is already a delicate area prone to aging, and the constant strain exacerbates the appearance of fine lines, deep creases, and sagging skin. Neck doesn't just affect how your neck looks, it also influences your overall posture, which may make you appear older. Moreover, one research journal has mentioned that continuous exposure to screens may negatively impact mental health. It may indirectly weaken your immune system, making your body more vulnerable to infection and slower to recover. It indirectly escalates aging. 3. Skipping sunscreen. Skipping sunscreen is one of the most significant contributors to premature aging. We divide UV rays into UVA and UVB rays, each of which plays a distinct role in accelerating the aging process. UVA rays penetrate deep into the skin's layers, damaging the collagen and elastin fibers that keep your skin firm and youthful. This deep damage leads to the breakdown of these essential proteins, resulting in wrinkles, sagging, and loss of elasticity. UVB rays, on the other hand, primarily affect the outer layer of the skin. It may cause sunburns and direct DNA damage. The journal Molecules has reminded us that it not only accelerates aging but also increases the risk of skin cancer. Skipping sunscreen leaves your skin unprotected against these damaging rays, triggering a process known as photoaging. Photoaging accounts for visible signs of aging, including fine lines, wrinkles, age spots, and uneven skin tone, unlike natural aging, which occurs slowly over time. Photoaging may cause these signs to appear much earlier, often making people look older than their usual age. UV exposure also impairs the skin's ability to repair itself, causing cumulative damage that worsens with each unprotected sun exposure, accelerating aging. 4. Consuming too much sugar. Consuming too much sugar significantly accelerates the aging process by triggering a biochemical reaction in your body known as glycation. When too many sugar molecules bind to proteins like collagen and elastin, they create advanced glycation in products, which are harmful chemicals. According to PubMed, these products stiffen and damage the collagen and elastin fibers in your skin. which are essential for maintaining its firmness, elasticity, and a youthful appearance. As these proteins become less flexible and more prone to breaking, the skin starts to sag, wrinkle, and lose its natural glow, making you look older. And faster excess sugar consumption may also spike insulin levels, which has a cascade effect on other hormones in the body. Further exacerbating the aging process, high insulin levels may trigger an increase in androgen production, which leads to more oil production and inflammation in the skin. This may result in breakouts, acne, and a rough skin texture, all of which contribute to an aged and unhealthy appearance. Moreover, high sugar intake impacts the body's hydration levels, making skin appear dry, dull, and flaky. Sugar impairs the skin's ability to retain moisture by disrupting the microbiome balance and weakening the skin barrier. A weakened skin barrier is less capable of defending against external aggressors, such as pollutants and irritants, which further accelerates aging. 5. Chronic stress. Your body releases cortisol, a hormone that helps you respond to immediate threats when you experience stress. However, when stress becomes chronic, cortisol levels remain elevated, which wreaks havoc on various bodily systems, accelerating aging both inside and out. High cortisol levels break down collagen and elastin, the proteins responsible for keeping your skin firm, smooth, and youthful. As these proteins degrade, your skin loses its elasticity, leading to sagging, wrinkles, and a dull complexion. Researchers have mentioned in the Biomedicine's journal that chronic stress also affects the length of telomeres, which are the protective caps at the ends of your DNA strands. Telomeres naturally shorten as you age, but prolonged stress accelerates this process. Shortened telomeres are associated with accelerated cellular aging and an increased risk of age-related diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and even cancer. This direct impact on your DNA accelerates not only the aging of your skin but also your overall body, making stress management critical for maintaining a youthful appearance and good health. Stress also increases oxidative stress in the body, which accelerates aging. This oxidative stress damages skin cells, proteins, and DNA, leading to visible signs of aging like wrinkles, age spots, and a loss of skin elasticity. The imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants is one of the drivers of aging, and chronic stress only amplifies this problem by continuously producing more free radicals over time. The cumulative damage from oxidative stress makes you look older. 6. Dehydration accelerates the aging process by depriving your skin and body of the essential moisture needed to maintain healthy cell function, leading to visible and internal signs of aging. A series of PubMed studies have shown that water plays a critical role in every cell, tissue, and organ in the body, helping to flush out toxins, deliver nutrients, and maintain skin elasticity. When you're dehydrated, your skin loses its natural moisture balance, making it appear dry, dull, and more prone to fine lines and wrinkles. This lack of hydration disrupts the skin's natural barrier, impairing its ability to protect against environmental stressors like pollution, UV rays, and harsh weather conditions, which further accelerate aging at a cellular level. Dehydration hampers the body's ability to perform critical repair functions. Water is essential for cellular metabolism, which includes the transport of nutrients and oxygen to cells, as well as the removal of waste products. Lack of adequate hydration causes cells to function less efficiently, slowing down the regeneration process and contributing to visible aging effects like rough texture, uneven tone, and loss of skin vibrancy. This decreased cellular turnover means that dead skin cells accumulate on the surface, further dulling the complexion and enhancing the appearance of age spots and fine lines. 7. Smoking. When you smoke, you inhale thousands of harmful substances, including nicotine, carbon monoxide, and free radicals, which significantly impair your body's ability to repair and regenerate itself. Smoking has the most visible effect on your skin. Smoking restricts blood flow by narrowing the blood vessels in the outer layers of your skin, reducing the amount of oxygen and essential nutrients that reach the skin cells. This lack of circulation leaves your skin looking pale, dull, and dehydrated, and it speeds up the formation of wrinkles, particularly around the mouth and eyes. The chemicals in cigarette smoke trigger the breakdown of collagen and elastin, the fibers that give your skin its strength, elasticity, and youthful appearance. Nicotine specifically reduces the skin's ability to produce new collagen, leading to a faster loss of skin structure and a sagging, wrinkled appearance. The National Library of Medicine confirms that smoking also increases the levels of enzymes that actively degrade collagen in the skin. This accelerated breakdown process makes smokers appear older than non-smokers of the same age. Smoking also causes oxidative stress, which plays a critical role in aging. The free radicals generated by smoking are highly reactive molecules that damage skin cells, proteins, and DNA. This oxidative damage accelerates the natural aging process, making your skin more prone to age spots, uneven skin tone, and a leathery texture. The damage extends beyond the surface. Smoking affects the deeper layers of the skin where collagen and elastin reside, leading to structural changes that make the skin thinner and more fragile over time. This results in premature aging. Signs such as deep lines and a sagging jawline, often referred to as a smoker's face. 8. Excessive alcohol consumption. According to PubMed, excessive alcohol consumption accelerates the aging process by causing widespread damage to your body, particularly your skin, liver, brain, and immune system. When you drink alcohol in large quantities, it dehydrates your body and skin, robbing your cells of the moisture they need to function properly. Alcohol is a diuretic, which means it increases urine production and leads to fluid loss, including vital electrolytes and minerals that keep your skin hydrated and plump. This dehydration leaves your skin looking dry, dull, and more prone to fine lines and wrinkles, making you look older than you are. Alcohol also impairs the liver's ability to detoxify your body. The liver is responsible for breaking down toxins, including those from alcohol, and when it's overwhelmed, it can't function efficiently. This buildup of toxins affects not just your overall health but also your skin, leading to a condition often called alcoholic face, characterized by redness, puffiness, and broken blood vessels, particularly around the nose and cheeks. Over time, this liver stress may contribute to chronic inflammation and a weakened immune system, which further accelerates aging by reducing the body's ability to repair itself and fend off environmental damage. 9. Poor diet. Lacking antioxidants. Antioxidants are compounds found in fruits, vegetables, nuts, and other whole foods. They neutralize free radicals, unstable molecules generated by exposure to environmental factors like UV radiation, pollution, smoking, and even the body's natural metabolic processes. The Nutrients Journal has confirmed that when your diet is low in antioxidants, these free radicals accumulate in the body, causing oxidative stress, which accelerates aging at the cellular level. A low antioxidant diet affects not only your skin but also your internal health, indirectly contributing to aging. Oxidative stress may accelerate the deterioration of essential body systems, including the cardiovascular system, leading to conditions like atherosclerosis, where the arteries harden and lose their elasticity. This not only increases the risk of heart disease, a major age-related condition, but also affects circulation, reducing the delivery of oxygen and nutrients to the skin and other tissues. Poor circulation may make your skin look pale and lifeless, further contributing to the signs of aging. Moreover, a diet low in antioxidants often lacks other vital nutrients such as omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals that support overall health. Omega-3s found in foods like fish and flaxseed seeds have anti-inflammatory properties that help protect the skin and internal organs from aging. 10. Sedentary lifestyle. One of the most immediate effects of a sedentary lifestyle in aging is visible in our muscles and bones. Lack of physical activity leads to muscle atrophy, which is the gradual shrinking and weakening of muscle tissue. This not only reduces your physical strength and mobility, but also decreases your overall metabolic rate, making it easier to gain weight and harder to maintain a healthy body composition. Muscle loss contributes to frailty and balance issues, common signs of aging that increase the risk of falls and other injuries. Moreover, regular physical activity helps maintain the elasticity of blood vessels, promote healthy blood pressure, and improve circulation. When you spend most of your time sitting, your heart and blood vessels don't get the stimulation they need, leading to stiffening of the arteries, increased blood pressure, and a higher risk of heart disease. Because of poor circulation, your skin and other tissues receive oxygen and essential nutrients inefficiently, resulting in a pale, dull complexion and slower wound healing. This insufficient nutrient supply accelerates skin aging, leading to wrinkles, sagging, and a general loss of skin